With all our memory books, you're going to want to decorate the insides. You're going to want that personal touch. And here at Tonic Studios, we believe in sharing all those memories and helping you along the way. So we've got loads of essentials for you to be able to decorate your books. So we have got, yes, it's a play on words. These are your fancy paper clips. Yeah, sense of humour there. You've got different paper clips in this collection, and you've also got all your tabs for your pulleys and everything else. We've also got the Polaroid. I have to say, one of my all-time favourites in this collection, and that is going to give you Polaroids that look like this. So you can put the words at the bottom, they're all in your collection. You can slide the photographs in as well. Amazing. But then we have got peekaboo. We've also got My First Smile, My First Steps, and what this allows you to do is make a little slot in your backing paper and be able to slide your tabs in and out of your paper. They really are an amazing product. But then we like personalisation, don't we? We all do. So in that collection, we have got all your personalised. So you've got your months, your weeks, your ordinals, and you've also got all your numbers in there. So maybe, I don't know, it could be Fred's 21st birthday. You're able to personalise it with all those. But then you have got what the consumers in the UK asked for. This was actually a poll, and this is what the UK consumers wanted to add to their books. Now in this collection is all different accessories, okay? I'm going to show you what's in those. So you have got little tabs. They could be tickets, it could be a tram ticket, it could be whatever ticket, a cinema ticket. You've got all your corners in there, you've got your sentiments in there. We have got large sentiments in that collection. We've also got the spring, summer, autumn and winter dies in there as well. But most importantly, these are what we've been looking at and customers have been asking for. So you've got them all in there, but you've also got all your stamps to be able to accompany them as well. So all those stamps in there, you're able to use on all those die cuts. Now, personally, I can't wait to see what you make, because if you get as much enjoyment out of these as I do, you're going to be really enjoying yourselves and getting into the memory book mode. See you later.